Hosta Gypsy Rose, unveiling the beauty and care of this variegated gem. Hi, I'm Ferb Vu, and I'm here to share my knowledge about the captivating Hosta Gypsy Rose. This stunning shade-loving perennial has stolen the hearts of many gardeners with its vibrant foliage and easygoing nature. Whether you're a seasoned hosta enthusiast or just starting your foray into the world of shade plants, this FAQ will equip you with everything you need to know about growing and caring for Hosta Gypsy Rose. See more 31 species in genus Hosta at monsteraholic.com. What makes Hosta Gypsy Rose special? The Gypsy Rose boasts a mesmerizing display of variegated leaves. The center of each leaf is a bright, sunny yellow, bordered by a wide band of dark emerald green. A thin white line separates the yellow center from the green margin, adding a touch of elegance and definition. This captivating color combination makes the Gypsy Rose a standout in any shade garden. But its beauty isn't the only thing to love. Hosta Gypsy Rose is a vigorous grower, forming a compact mound that matures to about 20 inches tall and 36 inches wide. This makes it a versatile plant, perfect for borders, edging walkways, or adding a splash of color to container gardens. Even better, the Gypsy Rose is known for its resilience. It's a tetraploid hosta, meaning it has thicker cell walls, making it more resistant to pests like slugs and snails, a common challenge for many hostas. Additionally, it thrives in partial shade to light shade, making it adaptable to a wider range of garden conditions. How to care for Hosta Gypsy Rose. Planting your Gypsy Rose is a breeze. Choose a location that receives dappled sunlight or light shade. Hostas dislike the harsh afternoon sun. Well-drained, moist soil is ideal. Amending your planting bed with compost or organic matter will help ensure good drainage and provide essential nutrients. Dig a hole slightly larger than the root ball of your Gypsy Rose. Gently loosen the roots before placing the plant in the hole. Fill the hole with soil, tamping it down gently to remove air pockets. Water your plant thoroughly after planting. Here are some key care tips to keep your Gypsy Rose flourishing. Watering. Water your Gypsy Rose regularly, especially during hot and dry periods. Aim to keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy. Mulching. Apply a layer of mulch around the base of your plant to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Fertilizing. While not strictly necessary, a light application of balanced fertilizer in early spring can give your Gypsy Rose a boost. Dividing. If your Gypsy Rose gets too large, you can divide it in early spring or fall. How much sun does Hosta Gypsy Rose need? Hosta Gypsy Rose prefers partial shade to light shade. Avoid planting it in areas that receive full afternoon sun. Does Hosta Gypsy Rose flower? Yes. The Gypsy Rose produces delicate lavender-colored flowers on tall scapes in late summer. Is Hosta Gypsy Rose deer resistant? Fortunately, deer generally find hostas unpalatable, making them a good choice for gardens prone to deer browsing. Is Hosta Gypsy Rose fast-growing? Yes, Hosta Gypsy Rose is considered a vigorous grower. It will reach its mature size within a few years. Can Hosta Gypsy Rose be grown in containers? Absolutely. The compact size of the Gypsy Rose makes it well-suited for container gardening. Just be sure to choose a pot with adequate drainage holes and use a good quality potting mix. Hosta Gypsy Rose versus Hosta Striptease. The Hosta Gypsy Rose is a sport, a natural mutation, of the popular Hosta Striptease. Both varieties share similar characteristics, with green and yellow variegated leaves. However, there are some key differences. Leaf color. The Gypsy Rose boasts a brighter, more vibrant yellow center compared to the lighter green center of the Striptease. Size. The Gypsy Rose generally matures to a slightly smaller size than the Striptease. Ultimately, the choice between these two stunning hostas comes down to personal preference. If you crave a hosta with a bolder splash of yellow, the Gypsy Rose is the clear winner. Conclusion. Hosta Gypsy Rose is a captivating addition to any shade garden. Its vibrant foliage, compact form, and easygoing nature make it a true gem for gardeners of all levels. With proper care, this stunning hosta will reward you with years of beauty and enjoyment. So, if you're looking for a shade-loving perennial that adds a touch of pizzazz to your garden, look no further than the Hosta Gypsy Rose.